At least your phone didn't ring.
You got lucky on that one.
What's that? Welcome, guys, once again to 5 Questions with Magic Mike, where we ask our special guests the when, what, where, why, and who questions that I made up. So today we are joined by a very special guest. A lot of people know her as I'm Brittany. This is Brittany Leonard.
Hi, I'm Brittany.
And, and she doesn't own the shop. She just happens to have that last name.
That's why they gave me the job.
Yep. It attracts more customers. October 24th, Brittany Leonard. She's our guest. And at the end, of course, she'll get her own questions. Are you ready to get started?
Let's go.
All right. What is your zombie apocalypse survival strategy?
Honestly, Mike, I'm probably going to push you down and keep running.
That's probably a good thing. But you don't have a whole lot to worry about. Because I think they feed on brains.
God.
So
always giving me some junk.
They would definitely have a ball with me.
Oh, yeah, they would.
But
they would.
I think you'd be safe. No, would you worry about your family? I mean, like, where would you go with your family?
In our underground bunkers.
Do you have underground bunkers?
That's not for you to know.
That's safe. That's fair. That's fair. Number 2. This is a when question. When did you last feel like a kid again?
Ooh. God, that's like every day at work, but I'll give you a better answer. I got it.
All right.
So a couple of weeks ago, we're all on the back porch. My kids are outside in the backyard playing, and all these little, like little dandelions that float in the air.
Yeah.
Little balls.
They
were falling everywhere. I have not seen that happen since I was a kid, and it was very reminiscent of being a child again and watching my own kids out there playing, chasing them.
That made you feel younger?
Yeah.
You know when I feel younger?
I am young.
You are a lot younger. But you know when I feel like a kid?
When?
Every time I go out and do a stupid little video that goes onto the shorts, I feel like I'm being a kid again. And I'm entertaining the traffic as they go by.
It is. It's
Especially
good.
when I did the floppy man. And
gives you the creativity.
Yeah, it makes me feel young. And then I have to come back in here to edit it, and then I feel old. So, all right. Number 3, we are going to go to why.
Okay.
Why do we talk to our pets like they understand English?
You don't think yours understand English?
I guarantee mine don't understand English.
Well, I don't know, Mike.
Do you talk to your dogs?
Oh, absolutely.
And
I baby them. I treat them like children.
See, that's the problem. Because they're not. They're dogs. They're animals. Now, what we have here is a problem because she is an animal lover, and I am anti most animals in my house, especially the ones that don't listen. Like, we have
Maybe
dogs.
It's because you're not speaking English to them.
Oh, I do. I do. I just don't think they understand it. Because, like when they're running away from the house, don't pick up your coffee cup. You're going to ruin the whole show. So when the dogs are running away from the house, you call them back and they don't come, I think they know their names. But I think that's about the extent of it.
I think you're not doing something right.
I don't think I am doing something right. All right. So are you familiar with the show Family Feud?
Sure.
Okay. So there's a captain.
Mm-hmm.
In this case, that's going to be you.
Okay.
Okay. So who would you pick for your Family Feud team?
Ooh.
Yeah. 4 more members of your team that you think
do they
would
have to be family?
Well, it's called Family Feud. Yeah.
Do animals count?
No, because they don't talk. All right, I'll give you some leeway. Who would? It doesn't have to be family. If you were on a trivia show similar to Family Feud,
Okay.
and you had to have 4 teammates that you think would win with you, who would you pick?
Oh, those are my cousins.
Well, now we're back to the family. You have 4 cousins you would pick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I only know 2 of my cousins. I think I only have 2 cousins. But see, I don't go back to like second cousins and third cousins and stuff like that. I know that here in the South, that's a big thing.
Oh yeah.
This is my first cousin. This is my second
Oh
cousin.
yeah.
I have 2 cousins. No, I have 3. I have 3. Sorry, Kevin. Forgot Kevin. But I have 3 cousins, and I don't consider anybody else to be related. That's as far back as my family goes, as far as I'm concerned.
My grandma literally has books and books and books of our family history and how far it goes back to.
Yeah. Have you ever done one of those cheek swabs
Oh.
and sent it in the mail?
She did.
She did?
She did.
And they showed her that she had a lot more relatives
Oh,
than
yeah.
she thought she did.
Oh yeah.
See, that's why I don't want to do it. That's another reason why I don't want to do it. Firstly, because I don't want the government to have my DNA. Like, you never know what's going to happen in the future. They may be looking for me.
That's why I haven't done it.
Yeah,
Like,
it's scary. That's how they caught that BTK killer. Don't know if you do that. Anyway, we're going right through these. We're just zipping right through these. This is number 5.
Okay.
This may be the quickest show ever. Where do you come up with your best ideas, your creative space?
That is when I'm outside.
Any particular
Probably,
location?
preferably in the woods somewhere. But yeah,
Not in the hot tub.
sometimes in the hot tub.
Yeah. Yeah. My best ideas come from the shower.
That's a good one.
Usually, if I have a viral short, it's because I've thought of it in the shower. But with my memory problems, I often think of an awesome idea in the shower and can't remember
Forget it by the time
I get here. So then I just have to come up with something else. So that's all I have for you. So you were really nervous for nothing. This was pretty simple.
Yeah.
We are both wearing pink today. This is October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Are you aware of breast cancer?
Yes.
Okay.
My mom
good.
is actually a breast cancer survivor.
My grandmother was. She's passed now, but not from breast cancer. So she beat that one. So yeah, go pink. I'm a big fan of Susan G. Komen. They helped our family out at one point.
Oh, really?
And we're very, very happy with them. We donate to them now. So if you're looking to donate, you can donate to them. Right?
Right.
Do you know anybody else?
Do it.
You're good? All right. Well, Brittany, on behalf of all of us here at the 5 Questions with Magic Mike, we thank you for your participation and hope you enjoyed your experience. Did you?
Yes.
Good. These are your questions. You take them home with you. My signature, Magic Mike, your name, and today's date.
I'm going to frame this when you're famous.
You should. All right. Well, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Now let's get back to work.
Coffee.